Yes, my brethren. So this is one of my boat captain brethren.
Yeah, man, work on the marina, you know.
Yeah.
Long time. Call me Sea Lion, you know.
Sea Lion.
Trouble many sea, you know.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man.
So how much years you say?
Over 40 years, man.
Boy. I know you maybe about 2 or 3 years now.
Right. Yeah, man.
And I first know, I look at him, I say, man, big idea, man.
Yeah, man.
No joke about it.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God. So guys, I'm come to Jamaica. I'm come. This guy, so that red car is working on the seat. The seats. Yes. So he's telling me that when it finish up and so it would be the best time to video it, because at least it will look better on the thing, you know. Yeah. Fisherman Point. So everywhere I go, Moon Palace stand out. In the side of turn you can see Moon Palace. Lunchtime and me no eat breakfast yet. Fisherman Point Villa again, you know. Fisherman Point Hotel. Okay. Next stylish hotel. Got them. Most of the boat and down here, so. Man, move fast, see, man. Me just see up there, so I'll go to rat it. My God. You know if Barrington down here? Yeah, okay, I'll go give him a shout up. Yeah. Both are nice, you know. Island dog. Wow. Check through everything, you know. Nice place to cool out. Yes, my brethren. So this is one of my boat captain brethren.
Yeah, man, work on the marina, you know.
Yeah.
Long time. Call me Sea Lion, you know.
Sea Lion.
Trouble many sea, you know.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man.
So how much years you say?
Over 40 years, man.
Boy. I know you maybe about 2 or 3 years now.
Right. Yeah, man.
And I first know, I look at him, I say, man, big idea, man.
Yeah, man.
No joke about it.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God. So guys, I'm come to Jamaica. And I know it go.
Yeah, man.
Down here, so Fisherman Point.
Yeah.
Yes, man. So now we are going to look for this man. And we have our next bridge named Barrington.
Yes.
So we check these people. And I want to know boat tour on these things.
Barrington do fishing.
Oh, yeah. Fishing, yes. So this man, you do
Scuba diving, gospel and boat ride, tubing.
him.
Me.
You.
Yeah.
Repeat.
Yeah, fishing, gospel and boat ride, scuba diving, and tubing. Anything thing I want to sport. But
Okay.
like we know that man there.
Yes.
Yeah.
No matter, man.
Yeah.
Me and him live nearby a Bucksfield.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. So sleep about them there. So when you come to Jamaica, head down to Fisherman Point. If they want to take it from Margarita and Ocean 11 and or from Bay Beach and Turtle Tower Beach, me always call it, or it used to be. You know? And find it can't last. Yeah, man, it's Fisherman Point, below the apartment. Gosh, me never know, man. I'm glad.
Yeah, man.
I'm glad me know.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Eh? Oh. All right. Fisherman Point. Yes, sir. All the lovely boats. Yes, my brethren. Yeah. You know, see Barrington?
Barrington, you can't wear them. So I'm on the way.
Yeah.
That's brilliant. I wear it to this one.
All right.
Yeah, man.
And then my water.
You want to have no shit before, man?
Yes, guys. So see work I go on the pier out there, so never know so I say pier and break down, man. Okay. Man, them are going with some work on the pier. With some work, you know. The pier really did damage bad, man, because we come out and catch some fish on the pier already and are way out of the corner there in there. You see there all of the middle part damage. Sorry, this couldn't zoom up more. Okay. One goes spoil. My word. Love the nature, you know. We love the nature, you know. We love nature. We love nature. Okay, green car there. I not even realize that the green car down here, the green boat car. Okay. Bad green car, seaboard car. Just control it. Tell you. See number there you can call them. Look at the number you know, when you're ready to make order on a plan. Look like it can crash, man. It look like they crash it. Oh my god. Bad. Respect, come on, yeah. Yeah man, some virgin and enjoy themselves. I play domino.
Yeah.
So Jamaica nice. Yes man. I want to deal with the boat thing though.
Yeah man.
I cooperate, you see it? All them. Yeah man, so this is some virgin we not talk about out the road. Yeah man. We do fishing and all this. We don't go to deep sea. Yes man. So when you come to Jamaica, you know it go. Yeah man.
Yeah.
Real. When you come to Jamaica, you find Fisherman Point.
Right, yeah.
You don't show on the boat them already. You look for the man them. Them no want it, so only one in the darkers want it. Yes, so them enjoy them domino game, you know guys. Man. Enjoy them domino. Okay. One is look one. Oh, this look like neat. Jamaica nice, may I tell you. Yes man. I'm on the place here. Okay. Hope you think my brethren run me around here so because I don't miss out on them here. Sword fish. Yes guys, sword fish. Okay. Water in this boat here. Look. Come on. Water. 2 engine upon it. So it look active. Adventure. There. Parisa sail. Okay. Them there. Looks the lady. Man there. Well cool and well cozy. Okay, sky. Parisa again. Island Star. Okay. Can view the hotel better, you know, more clearer. Turtle Beach Towers over there, Fisherman Point apartment. Jamaica Grand, which is Moon Palace now. And now on the wharf there. Holy power upon the wharf, man. Holy power. No lie about it. Holy power. Sorry, this can't zoom up right up to me, but you know, still happy to have it to do great work, you know, great job. It's doing a great job right now. Yes, guys.